Vlogmas Day 3.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
Hello, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I almost just held up 2 fingers, but then I realized that it's day 3. So the dealio today is that we have a snow day. So this means that I'm stuck in my house for a whole nother day with nothing to do, which makes for some really lackluster vlog content. What is my vocabulary this morning? Which makes for really boring vlogs. Yeah. But, so I'm going to force Jordan to take me for breakfast before he has to go to work. So at least I have something to vlog. And I promise you that these vlogs are going to get more interesting once I go back to school and I actually have stuff to film. But my life is pretty boring when I don't have my friends to entertain you guys. So I'm sorry about that. Hello, lighting. There we go. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, that works. But yeah, so I really hope that I will find something to do that's interesting. And maybe by this afternoon, the roads will be better so that I can vlog something interesting. But we'll see what happens. Jordan and I are in the car. I just cleaned the whole thing off, well, most of it. Heated the top of it that I couldn't reach. So go me. My hair needs to come down. I thought it looked cute, but it doesn't. We're on our way to go get breakfast. Hopefully we don't die. We're braving the winter roads. Gotta love those winter roads. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you really just said the same thing twice in a row.
Yeah, well, I was gonna say where we live, but then I realized
You don't want to dox yourself and tell everyone that we live in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, hey!
Pennsylvania's a
Oh
big
my God,
state.
stop! Because they know the town too. Oh wow. Please don't come kill me.
You would rather reveal
No,
the
it's Dan and Andrew's fault that they knew the town. Because last year they kept saying it, and I tried to bleep it out, but I realized I'm just really bad at editing, and you could definitely say what they were saying anyway. Please don't come for me. Okay, bye.
All right.
Say hi to the vlog. Jordan and I are at breakfast now.
Yep. I also have to have time to put my clothes in the dryer. Because I don't have any.
That takes like 2 minutes.
Okay, yeah, but I have to have time for them to dry. Because I don't have any work shirts.
Well, that sucks. We will have to wear the fancy colored one.
No.
Okay. Well, we'll get it done. That was so fast. Okay, so Jordan and I just ate breakfast. Our food literally, well, it was probably like 3 minutes.
Yeah,
it took.
Really crazy.
It was like insanely fast. It was like they knew we were coming in and had it ready already. But now we're on my way to my work because when I was at work on Sunday, I left my book there and I have a project due on Friday at midnight that I have to do. And since today's another snow day and it's already Tuesday, I figured I should go get it so that I can do my project and get it done, and then I don't have to worry about it the rest of the week. Also, Saturday is my dance recital.
Saturday's your dance.
Saturday is my dance
What
recital.
time is it?
1 o'clock?
I won't be there.
I think. I don't know. That's fine. But I have to be there at 11. That's all I know. But yeah. So that's one less thing that I don't have to worry about, which is good. So yeah. So, it is a lot later now, like 6:45. In 15 minutes I'm leaving to go to choir for church. Abby's just chilling. I'm starving. But yeah.
I already ate.
Well, I didn't, so. But yeah, I'm gonna go to choir. And then I'm gonna come home, and then I have to go to school tomorrow, so we'll deal with that.
I don't.
Hey! Who's this stranger? Oh my God.
I think the last time I was in your vlog was like had to have been the
long
time
time
we
ago.
had a 2-hour delay and we went to Scarfalatos
Oh
for
my
breakfast.
God, that was such a long time ago. Oh my God, we have to hang out soon. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Pretty. Not as pretty as you.